Are you renovating? With thousands of building products to choose from and many complex design decisions to be made, the renovation process can be overwhelming. See, touch, select, and bring your vision to life. Explore options, get advice, learn from the experts at our seminars to set you up for an enjoyable and stress-free project. Whether it's a DIY project or you're working with a builder, designer or architect, meet them at the Build and Design Centre to start your journey. Be guided by the experts and navigate the endless choices on offer. Make the Build and Design Centre your selection centre. Open 7 days, free parking, free entry. See you at the Build and Design Centre.